Okay, so hello and welcome back to the channel. I just want to start out by saying I am glad that if anybody has been, using Swagbucks or any of my tutorials, I'm glad that you got some good knowledge from it. And I am sorry that I have not been active in, I don't know how long. It's been quite a while, but today I found something that I felt that I needed to share with you guys that will help you really make some money. And it's not that hard. Now, I'm not gonna start off with some bullcrap with you guys. I'm not. The title of this video probably will be how you can make $70 in 5 minutes. Now, to do that, it is an investment game. Not much. Not really a. It's not really that much of an investment. It's just a small investment, and you can do it in parts. You don't have to do it all at once. It's just how you can make $70 right off the back off of Swagbucks. Because I don't think I did make a video about that when I told you guys I would make a specific video about how to make money. So let's go ahead and kick off into it. If you have not used or ever had Swagbucks before, you can go over, like I always say, you can go to your Google and you can type in Swagbucks right here, and it will pull it up right here. Now, if you want to support me, which I would appreciate it if you did, and it also would be good for you guys, you could go down in the description instead and click on the link there, and it has my referral code. And I'm just gonna let you know how it works. With the referral code, it's a great system. You refer somebody, both of you get $3 the moment that person makes $3. So it's kind of a win-win situation for both parties. The moment you make $3, you get an extra $3. That's $6. The moment you make $3, it lets me know you made $3, and it sends me $3 to let me know, okay, you made $3. So that's just letting me know, hey guys, you guys are watching. So if you want to, you go ahead. If you don't use my referral code. It doesn't matter. I just want you guys to learn how to make some money. So to begin this, I'm gonna go over here to my activity here. There's 3 things that you want to use to make your Swagbucks. So when I make an account, the best thing to do are 3 things that you should notice right off the back. It's probably not going to tell you. So this is my whole registration list from like the beginning of the installation down here. I got around the 3rd I made the account, right, and I didn't really do much with the account until I actually needed some money. So on the 6th I went ahead and got the well, technically this is the sorry, I'm a little it's been a while since I made a video, but technically the Dollar Shave Club, it takes 3 days, so I probably did do it on the first day of making this account. If you do Dollar Shave, it automatically gives you $20. Now I'm going to go ahead and point this out. The offers do change, so you want to jump on them when they're really good. Like Dollar Shave at one point had about, I think it was $15, which to me, I didn't think it was that much worth it. I mean, it's only a $5 difference, but at the time I wasn't paying attention. But right now with Dollar Shave, it's been a constant $20. So even if you don't shave, give it to a friend, save it as a Christmas present or whatever. You get your Dollar Shave, and that right there is your first 20. You go up. This 29 is very, very, very. It fluctuates a lot. This is the Hulu offer. I love it when it's 29. I always do it when it's 29. It gives you 29 for spending I believe $8 to get Hulu. Now, if you don't have an account with Hulu, or let's say you had an account with Hulu and you haven't did this offer though, because you only can do one offer per account, I believe. So let's say you wanted to do this offer for $2,900. Just make yourself another account, sign up, and there you go. This is about the reward rather than the use of the product. And then up here, this 1,800 is from GameFly. That's just one of my favorite 3 things to do. So I'm gonna walk you through it and show you up here. And of course, like I said on the search bar, whenever you search, you have a good chance of getting some Swagbucks time to time. So you can do that and see if you get some Swagbucks. Sometimes you don't, sometimes you do. But the thing is Hulu. See, right now Hulu's not $29. Right now it's $20, so it fluctuates a lot. When I did it, it was $29. Anytime I see it's $29, I feel like that's when I should do Hulu. Now, all you do for Hulu, it shows you over here in the special terms and details. You pay $7.99, which is about $8.34. Sometimes the Hulu price fluctuates as well. I remember at one point it was like $6 or $5, which was amazing. And then instantly, this is instant by the way, if something goes wrong and you don't get this in within 24 hours, then you can send them a mail, and they're very good with their customer service. I have mailed them quite a few times, and they really do respond really fast, and they get your problem solved. So yeah, you spend your $6 after you click discover, go over to Hulu, use an account you never used before, sign up. The moment you sign up, they'll charge your card, and then they'll send you over $20. So guess what? You just made yourself $20 right off the bat. Now that's the first part. Now this is how to make it in 5 minutes. So it's not going to be a 5-minute video because I'm trying to explain it. So anyway, next you want to look at Dollar Shave. Dollar Shave takes 3 days to award you for it, but at the same time, it's really worth it. Trust me, it's worth it. So we're gonna go over to Dollar Shave, see if I type them right. Oh, looks like I didn't type them right. Let's see, Dollar Shave Club, I believe it is. Dollar Shave Club. I'm just not popping up. Let's see if we can do it this way. Sometimes you gotta look at it in a different way. Or, also they take stuff down. I'm hoping they didn't. I believe they might have taken it down. So let's go on with the video and move over to GameFly. If I can type, I'm trying to type faster with one hand. Not GameStop. What am I doing? GameFly. And if not, if this doesn't work this way, you can always do it the way where I found these offers to begin with. So this is ridiculous. I'm not finding anything. So we're gonna go to where you normally would find this, which is in Discover. So I guess it's a little learning experience for you guys. So what you do is basically, here it is, GameFly right off the bat. So GameFly is one of the feature offers. You spend $10, and sometimes this one fluctuates. Most of the time it stays at $20. But you spend $10 at GameFly, and heck, this is a bonus for both parties. You get $20 back, and you get a free, I think it's 2 months of GameFly before they try to charge you again. So by like the first month, you can cancel your card if you really don't want GameFly. But if you're enjoying GameFly, just keep it. But right there, you have now made $40. So I did put in the video $70 because normally this stuff is a little bit higher. But for now, I guess maybe because I've already done it, it lowered the price. But let's see, that's $40, and we need the last piece of resistance if we can find it here. I'm going to skip through this part, but this is the search process. You go through your signups and errors until you find it. Okay, so what I had to do was I had to go to a new account because apparently Dollar Shave did disappear because I've already done it. I went ahead and made a new account. So if you've already done it, you probably can't do it twice. Excuse me. So the thing about Dollar Shave is it's a good reward for the price. So we're gonna go ahead and walk through how much you have to spend to get this. This would be $60. I was actually a little bit off. The video says $70, but like I said, the price fluctuates. Sometimes it's higher. When I got my Hulu, it was $29. When I got my Dollar Shave, it was $25. And when I got my GameFly, it was about $30. I think it was about $30 or $25 at certain points. But then when I got it for the one that I did in the video, it was a little bit different. But still, like I said, the price fluctuates. It was a little bit lower in the video, the one that I showed you beforehand, but the time before I did it before the video, it was a little bit higher. So I just want to show you guys, how it works. So I'm gonna go take me to the home page, and let's see, it should pop up now without me having to do that whole long exploration. Yep, there it is right there. So the price of Dollar Shave right here is $5, and it does say $35. That is because if you stay subscribed, I believe for 2 months, they actually give you another $15. But I never wanted to, stay subscribed for that long. But yeah, they'll give you another $15 for it. But you spend $5 to get your $20 initially. They'll give you $20 within 3 days. So you invested. This is why I said this is an investment type of earn. You invested yourself $5, and in 3 days you get back $20. Hulu and GameFly, on the other hand, are instant. So with GameFly, you invest $10 and you earn back $20. Now remember, the price fluctuates, so they can become higher or lower. So you gotta be paying attention. So $10 you invest yourself $10, which is $15 now, and you earn $20. So you've earned $40 for investing $15. So the profit right there is about $25. So that's not too bad. You got $25 for spending your investment in your mate. And then you go to your Hulu, which let's see if we can type that in real fast just so you can see it up on the screen. You're at 40, you spent 15. Now your Hulu, again, another one that fluctuates, is $20, and you spend about $8. So yeah, $8. That's you spent $22 to make $60. So you got 60 right now, and you spent 22. That is a total of, if I'm correct, 38. You made yourself a $38 profit within 5 minutes. You made technically this is not, I got you guys a little bit. It's a little bit of clickbait. You got to give me that one. So technically you did make 60, close to $70, but the profit for it is about $38. So you see, it's all about the profit, but it can always go above that. There's more offers to go through. Besides that, there's My Perfect Resume that gives you a little bit. There's ABC Mouse that gives you a little bit of profit, and these are like really small amounts of profit that you got to keep looking for types of stuff like this. So you got your ABC Mouse, you got your My Perfect Resume, you got your let's see if I can get some off the back. Heck, if you play IMVU and you don't mind waiting 30 days, there's an offer up there about IMVU for $30 for spending something up there. You don't spend much and you get $30 back in 30 days, but as if you don't mind waiting. But I believe that's it, because this video is about just making the it was supposed to be 70, but they lowered the prices, so until they raise the prices again, it's going to be $60. How to earn $60 with the profit versus the investment. You got to always think about that. If you have to do an investment, how much money do you make back before you get your investment? So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any problems or any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you, like I said, if you really do want to support me, use my referral code or use my referral link, which I'll always leave down in the description. It shows me when you guys sign up, and it makes me happy to see that you guys are watching the video and give a thumbs up and everything. And if you want to see more videos, because I'm coming back now, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I cannot talk today. And I will be back with some new videos, probably some cashbacks. So I hope you guys have a good day.